Hello and welcome to Goa 365's English News Bulletin. I'm Maithili and these are the headlines. Men arrested for raping a minor girl after abducting her several times in Margao. 22-year-old accused reportedly threatened to leak obscene images of the victim. Blast rocks Bengaluru's popular Rameshwaram cafe. At least 5 people reported injured in the incident. Swachh Bharat Nital Goa initiative continues to remain just a tagline, as Goa's garbage problems show no signs of improvement. As a popular tourist destination, can Goa afford to risk its image due to such a petty issue? And now for the news in detail. A man has been arrested for allegedly raping a minor girl in Margao, whom he is accused of abducting several times. The 22-year-old, who hails from Karnataka, reportedly began threatening the girl that he would leak obscene photographs on social media and demanded money from her on the pretext of deleting the footage. He has been booked under relevant sections of the IPC, Goa Children's Act and POSCO Act.
आतून पळयतात की जे चोरयो रेप एक्सिडेंट हे खूब जायत आसात आनीक चडांत चड म्हण जाल्यार हांगा रेप केसी जे आसा ह्यो चड वाडत गेल्ले कडेन आसा हेचेर खंय तरी आळा हाडपा जाय आनी ह्याच हेचे खातीर हांगा गोंयचें जें नांव आसा हें खूब पिड्ड्यार जाल्ले कडेन आसा. अशीच जी घडणूक आसा ही एक कोलवा पुलीस स्टेशनाच्या ज्युरिडिक्शनान धरले कडेन आसा आनीक ह्याच केसी खातीर एक 22 ते 23 वर्सांचे भुरग्याक सद्याक कोलवा पुलिसांनी झिरो टॉलरन्साचेर अरेस्ट केले कडेन आसा. ह्या जो एक 17 वर्सांच्या मायनर भुरग्याचेर रेप करून तेजे खंय तरी फोटो काडून व्हायरल करता म्हणून सांगले आनी ह्या हेचेर बापायन तेगे चेडवाच्या बापायन कंप्लेन केली खानापूर पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर आनी त्याच बरोबर ही झिरो टॉलरन्साचेर ती कोलवा पुलीस स्टेशनार धाडली आनी कोलवा पुलिसांनी हेजो इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करून हो जो भुरगो ह्या हेतूंक धमकी दितालो या फोटो काडून व्हायरल करता म्हणटालो ब्लॅकमेलिंग करतालो ह्या भुरग्याक हांगा अरेस्ट केले कडेन आसा आनी फुल्ली इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जे आसा हो PI फेरन डिकोस्टा आसा हो करता.
Station had registered an offence on 16th February. One victim's father had come to the police station and had lodged a complaint that one person by name Prashant Vaswadkar, he befriended his minor daughter and thereafter sexually abused her. Also clicked some of the pictures of the minor daughter and thereafter was blackmailing her and was threatening her and was trying to extract money also at the same time. So we have registered a complaint a few days ago against an accused person. The accused basically is from Belgaum, Karnataka. So we started maintaining surveillance on him and after tedious technical work and after taking the assistance of Belgaum police, we managed to round him off and we sent a team also and we apprehended him in Belgaum and we got him in Goa and we placed him under arrest. He has been booked under sections 354, 363, 376, 383, 5062, 323, 511, section 8(2) of Goa Children's Act and section 4, 5, 7 and 8 of POSCO Act. No, we just got him today, so we are placing him on the arrest, so he will be produced before the court tomorrow and police custody remand will be obtained.
Ramesh Naik Raut, Srishti Thanekar and Omkar Deshprabhu for Goa 365.
Goa's persistent garbage problem has been a major concern in recent times. Despite the government's claims of promoting cleanliness through the Swachh Bharat Nital Goa initiative, the actual situation paints a very different picture. As a popular tourist destination, can Goa risk losing its appeal due to a petty issue like garbage? Our reporter Mahesh Govekar investigates a similar problem in Mulgaon between Par Bridge and Nanoda Road.
आम्ही सध्या जे उभे आसात हो जो रस्तो आसा हो मुळगांव पंचायतीन येता तशेंच दिवचल मतदारसंघात आमी पळयतात की सगळेच कडेन जे गोंयान आसा हे रस्ते सायडीक जे कचरो आसा तो मोठ्या प्रमाणान जाल्लो आसा. आमी पळयता की हांगा फाटल्यान हो रस्तो आसा, हो रस्तो अस्नोडच्यान पारा कडल्यान हांगा वता नानोडात फुडें दोडा मार्गार वचपी हो रस्तो. हांगांतल्यानूच ज्यो महाराष्ट्रांतल्यान तशेंच दुसऱ्या स्टेटींतल्यान गाडयो ज्यो येवपी आसा त्यो अश्योच ह्याच रस्त्यांतल्यान येतात आनी मागीर ते म्हापसा सायडीक वतात. आमी पळयता की हांगासर खुबसो कचरो पडलेलो आसा, इतको की तो पळोवं सारको ना. तितून खुबशे तरेचो कचरो आसा, बाटल्यो आसात, तशेंच सॅनिटरी पॅड्स जे आमचे फास्ट फुडान जे आसता ते उडयल्ले आसा हांगा. आमी म्हणटा की हो जो रस्तो आसा एक इंटरस्टेट रस्तो सारको आसा, पूण हांगा लोकांक कितें दिसतलें गोंया बद्दल, एक वेगळी इमेज हांगा गोंयाची निर्माण जाता की गोवा हे एक डंपींग सायट जाल्लें आसा गर्बेजाचें. सगळे कडेन पळयलें जाल्यार हायवेचेर इंटरनल रोडांचेर मोठ्या प्रमाणान कचरो जाल्लो आसा. तो कमी जावपाक जाय. कित्याक तर अवेरनस जाता जायना ही गोश्ट वेगळी आसा, पूण सगळ्या जे प्रतिनिधी आसात पंचायतीन तशेंच आमदार यांनी हेंचेर लक्ष दिवपाक जाय. कित्याक तर जे भायले लोक येता हांकां एक गोवा हे जे आसा एक ट्युरिस्ट एक स्टेट आनी बऱ्यापैकी ट्युरिस्ट हांगा येता आनी हो आतां फुडलो रस्तो वायडनिंगूय जाता महाराष्ट्रांतलो, ताका लागून ह्या रस्तो जो आसा तो फुडें एक मेन रस्तो जावपाचो आसा गोंयान येवपी आनी एंट्री पॉयंट गोवान येवपी आसा सारको दोडा मार्गा कडल्यान. आनी असो जर लोकांक हांगा दिसपाक लागले गोंयान कचरोच सगळे कडेन, जाल्यार जी इमेज आसा गोंयची ती पिड्ड्यार जातली. आनी आमी फुडेंय पळयतात की मेन रोडाकूय कचरो आसा तो कमी जावपाक जाय. तेन्नाच गोवाची जी डंपींग अशें कितें म्हणटात ते जे इमेज आसा ती कमी जातली. कित्याक तर भायले लोकूय कचरो उडयता, पूण आपले स्थानीक लोकांनीच जर अशें कचरो करपाक लागले गोंयान सगळ्या रोड सायडीक आनी सगळ्या ओपन स्पेसींचेर, जाल्यार त्याचो मोठ्या प्रमाणान इफेक्ट जो आसा तो ट्युरिजमाकूय जावपाक शकता.
Mahesh Kovekar, Manish Parab and Sanika Nagvekar for Goa 365.
We'll take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. While authorities continue to take their time in tackling the rising number of accidents in the state, roads remain unsafe. From minor incidents to fatal accidents, Goa has been seeing alarming figures. In yet another incident today, a car suspected to be speeding overturned along the Sioli-Mapsa road at Ganeshpuri. Our reporter Nitiksha Gaonkar comes to you with more details.
गोंय राज्यात सध्या अपघातांचे प्रमाण बरेच वाडिल्ले आसा. गणेशपुरी असोच एक ॲक्सिडेंट जालो. मारुती जी स्विफ्ट कार आसा तिजो गाडये वयल्यान ताबो गेल्ल्यान हो एक्सिडंट जाल्लो आसा. ही जी मारुती कार आसा ही शिवोलच्यान म्हापसा वाटेन येताली आनी गणेशपुरी ह्या ड्रायव्हराचो गाडये वयल्यान ताबो गेल्ल्यान ही गाडी ओवरटर्न जावन हे गाडयेचो एक्सिडंट जाल्लो. मेजर अशी हानी कोणाक जावं ना, बट गाडयेचे बरेच लुकसाण जाले. ही जी गाडी आसा ही झुडपांनी वचोन ओवरटर्न जाली आनी थंयच पडली. आमी पळयत आसा की आयज लोक इतल्या फास्ट वेगान गाडयो चलयता आनी त्या खातीर खुबशे अपघात जायत आसा.
नितीक्षा गावकर, सुभाषिश गोवेकर, Nikhil Jalmi for Goa 365.
A blast at Bengaluru's popular Rameshwaram cafe on Friday left at least 5 people injured, causing panic among customers and nearby residents. The explosion occurred around 1:30 p.m. at the eatery located in the city's Whitefield area, known for its bustling IT hub.
According to local police, the injured were rushed to nearby hospitals for treatment and the cause of the blast is still under investigation. Preliminary reports suggest a possible gas cylinder explosion, but authorities are not ruling out other possibilities. Karnataka Home Minister Dr. G. Parmeshwara has been in contact with senior police officials to monitor the situation and ensure a thorough investigation. A forensics team, along with officers from HAL, Whitefield and Indiranagar police stations, arrived at the scene to collect evidence and assess the damage. A bomb squad was also dispatched to the site as a precautionary measure. The Rameshwaram cafe, known for its celebrity clientele and delectable cuisine, was filled with customers at the time of the blast. Eyewitnesses described a chaotic scene with people fleeing the area and nearby shops and offices temporarily evacuated as a precautionary measure. Manish Parab and Sanika Nagvekar for Goa 365.
A massive fire claimed the lives of 43 people and left dozens injured in the capital city of Bangladesh, Dhaka. The 7-story building in Dhaka's upscale neighborhood became the site of the horrific fire. Here is more.
Health Minister Samantha Lal Sen shared the grim update after visiting the medical facilities treating the victims. At least 40 injured individuals are receiving medical attention at the city's main burn hospital. The fire originated in a popular biryani restaurant on Bailey Road, quickly engulfed the upper floors and trapping scores of people. Firefighters responding swiftly managed to bring the blaze under control within 2 hours, rescuing 75 individuals alive. The building, hosting restaurants, clothing stores and mobile phone shops, witnessed chaotic scenes as people attempted to escape. Some resorted to using water pipes to climb down, while others were trapped on the rooftop desperately seeking help. Tragedies like this underscore the challenges of safety enforcement in Bangladesh, where fires and buildings are unfortunately common. This incident follows a similar pattern to past disasters, raising the concerns about a lax implementation of safety regulations. Subhashish Govekar and Sangeeta Oli for Goa 365.
We'll take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. And finally, for the weather. Going forward into March, we can expect mostly sunny days with temperatures averaging 31 degrees centigrade. As it goes hotter this month, citizens are warned to protect people, pets, plants and pipes. Here's more on Saturday's forecast.
Gusty winds blow into the area on Saturday, but rather than helping fight the heat, it'll just keep hot air circulating. Under the sweltering conditions, the high will touch 33 in most parts. Do be careful when heading out and make sure that you're having plenty of water. If you were expecting some respite by night, then think again, because we're heading for another uncomfortably warm night, when the low is predicted to touch 23. But under humid conditions, the real feel should be somewhere in the upper 20s. Dry weather forecast till 7th March. Haze and light fog likely on Saturday, commuters to stay alert. Mostly sunny skies forecast for March. Maximum and minimum temperatures on Saturday 33 degrees Celsius and 23 degrees Celsius respectively. No warnings issued for boat owners near Goa coast. Bureau Report, Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube Goa 365 TV. Take care, stay safe and keep watching Goa 365.